We should all be eco-conscious, especially when we shop, and it's never too late to adopt new shopping practices that will help us and the environment. In today's video, we're going to look at eco-friendly shopping tips. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. We discuss simple tips everyone can do to keep the planet safe. Eco-friendly shopping does not require any special equipment or extra cost. We can save the planet with zero cost. We just have to make the right choices. Stay tuned to this video as I list out the tips. Here we go. One way to save time, money, and the environment is by buying in bulk. This helps you reduce your carbon footprint as you reduce the length of food transportation. When buying in bulk, buy what you need to avoid wastage. To help save the planet, buy local products. This way, you patronize local farmers and help the environment at the same time. When you transport products from far away, carbon dioxide is emitted through transportation. By buying local products, you enjoy the benefits of eating organic food, if they are grown organically, and also help the environment. Farm products are the best source of fresh produce. You can eat healthily and help the environment at the same time. Waste from farm products decays easily without unbalancing the ecosystem. Read the labels on every product. This will help you know which product is eco-friendly. It will also help you know which ingredients are used in your favourite home products. This may seem like a lot, but it's worth it in the long run. Shopping with your eco or reusable bag is another way of shopping eco-friendly. This way, you don't have to use plastic bags from the supermarket. When you choose to buy reusable products, you are certain that the item will stay out of the landfill. With this in mind, we will always look out for alternatives to plastic packaging wherever possible. Make a switch to bamboo products, like bamboo toothbrushes, reusable straws, and the like. The main goal of being eco-friendly revolves around decent core values, which are to reduce, reuse, and recycle. When we reduce the way we shop and the way we use plastics and other non-biodegradable products, we help the environment. If we reuse what we have instead of buying new things and throwing them out after a while, we win, and the environment does too. That's a double win. These shopping tips should help you maintain an eco-friendly lifestyle and become a more mindful consumer. There are several other eco-friendly shopping tips, and I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time! Several times when we head out to shop for groceries or household items, we are offered plastic bags for packing our bought goods. This may seem like nothing, but these bags contribute to the waste in our dump sites. In order to reduce this, we need to adopt new packaging practices that will help us and the environment. In today's video, we're going to look at food packaging, how to reduce waste. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. In this video, I'll discuss simple tips everyone can do to reduce waste associated with food packaging. Stay tuned to this video as I list out the tips. Here we go! Buy loose foods. When we go shopping, many of us tend to buy pre-packaged foods instead of loose foods. Buying loose foods like fruit and vegetables is a better alternative, both health-wise and packaging-wise. Start to change gradually and you'll see the difference. Choose to buy items in recyclable containers. Plastic packaging takes time to decompose. When we make use of recyclable materials to package our food, we are helping to reduce waste. Always choose biodegradable based materials. Shopping with your eco or reusable bag is another way of reducing packaging waste. This way, you don't have to collect plastic bags from the supermarket. Patronize your local farmers. Eating fresh vegetables and food items is good for our body and the environment. You save the planet by eating food with biodegradable packaging and contribute to the local economy at the same time. Keep a garden. When you grow your food, you save money and eliminate packaging waste. Keeping your own garden has a lot of benefits and should be a practice you should adopt if possible. You'll be doing yourself and the environment so much good when you start your own little garden. Make your own food. Pre-packaged food can be made at home. You can make your own tomato paste, your own cereals, and other food items. This way, you can store them in cans and jars, which is safer. Recycle. Choose to recycle your materials instead of throwing them in your normal garbage bin. You will save money when you stop using packaging materials that contribute to waste. There are several other food packaging and waste reduction tips, and I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.